Hi YouTube, this is Latanya coming from Happy Scrapping 45 with an unboxing. I just uploaded a video where I showed in the haul that I got my new sewing machine. And it's a Singer. Let's see, can y'all see this? Oh, you might can't see it. Okay. It's a Singer Fashion Made 555/60 model. And it has 100 stitches and a lot of more goodies. So, just took the outside tape off the box. So, over here, I have my foot pedal. I got the power cord. Okay. Yeah, I got the power cord that goes, yeah, the power cord. So, that's the foot pedal and power cord. So, I'm going to remove this. All right. Okay, it came with, I guess, let me see. Let me get the directions, y'all, because I don't want to say anything wrong. The Spanish. And I don't speak Spanish. What are you, is this an extra arm? I mean, the extended arm? I guess that's what it's called. Yeah. The extended arm. Yeah, so this here. It came with that. Or is it on the bag? So it came with that. And it also came with the case. So here's the case. So that's good because I don't have to worry about dust, getting in my machine. So it came with the case. So I got that. And this is my instructions. I'm real bad about not reading instructions. I just want to sit up here and start doing sewing. Okay, so let me see. Ooh, it's heavy too. It's not like my old one. This thing is heavy. Is there anything else in here? Okay, that's it. Okay, now I can set this on my desk. Okay, so this is how it look, and it got purple. Oh wow, my favorite color, purple. And it has this here, and this is all the stitches. And like I said, it's computerized, so I just use these little arrows and all that good stuff. And so I'm gonna have to look at them because I'm bad about reading them instructions. I don't even like reading that stuff. But yeah. So that's about it. So I'm gonna set it up and take it from there. Cause I already cut out me some paper that I wanna make these TNs at that new paper pad that I just bought from Michaels. So I done cut out my papers and I want to make a stitch around. Yeah, I'm just so thirsty. Like my little grandson always be telling me, Grandma, you so thirsty. You can't wait to come home and play with your little new toy. Yep. So that's what I'll be working on. So I'll be coming back and share with you guys some videos of what I have made. So here's the case. And it just goes like this. Yes, I love that. And it keeps all the dust off of my machine. So when I'm not using it, I can put this over it. Neat idea. And I already have a space on my table over here for it. So yeah. So just want to pop in and share with you guys how it look out of the box. Alrighty. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.